Tenant states, my oven smells like gas. I apologize, this is a little bit of a longer video, but very important because these are gas appliances, and when a tenant smells gas, it can be a very serious issue, so we get dispatched immediately. Before anything, I'm going to start calibrating my gas sniffer. Once I pop the inside panel out, I'm going to look at this gas tube. Sometimes they start corroding and they can prematurely let gas out before it actually hits the igniter, and so it doesn't actually ignite. That one's all clean, looks good, almost brand new. I'm going to start it up and see if the igniter's heating up properly. I'm going to start checking it, seeing if it's releasing the gas before it should, or maybe the gas is being released and not igniting. Also going to check the regulator, which is underneath, which is where the gas hose comes from the wall into the machine. In all my time, I have yet to see an appliance actually leak, but the root cause of this issue is actually the igniter not igniting the gas, and so the gas is being released and it's just not being ignited because that igniter isn't heating up hot enough. And so this just turns into a normal igniter swap. Gotta disconnect that connector and take the gas tube off. Usually when they turn pretty white like that, they're at the end of their life. Nice and toasty hot. Button this one up. And that was all the waste. I'm also going to fix that squeaky door. Put some lubricant on it, make it all nice and quiet for him. Ah, much better. Now someone can bake and not wake up the entire house. This one's all set, ready to go.